So I've been Facebook Marketplace stalking this 2006 LTZ400 for almost 3 months now. We went and took a look. She wanted $2,450. We settled smack dab in the middle at $800. Bent axle, no signs of life. So we got the thing home and dug right into it. She's a little cooked. I thought it was going to be a full loss on the axle. So we got a new battery, tossed her on in, checked the oil, checked for signs of life. A little bit of starting fluid, and here's what happened. So we had to set the conditions to get the axle out. Here's how good it's looking already. It didn't want to come out. A little bit of heat persuasion, and it actually worked. Got that retaining nut off. I had super low expectations that this was going to work, but my buddy owns a shop, brought it on by. We bent the axle. One of the tires was popped. We threw a tube in it, and here's what we're working with right now. So gonna need to do another set of heat and bend, but it was time to clean the carburetor. So pulled the airbox off, got some plastics out of the way, pulled the tank out. The carb was a little grody. Some of the some of the jets were clogged up. The tank had some signs of gunk in there, so we pulled the petcock off, and I'm glad I did.
I think it was about time to clean this thing. Here's the nice tasty milkshake that came out of the tank.
Threw a new spark plug in before we put it all back together. Exciting stuff. Stay tuned for the first ride and leave in the comments. Did you pay $800 for this thing?